Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So this video is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial video, and I'm going to be using the color theory again to help me do this eye look. So fam, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to link a link down in the description box below where I explain the color theory into detail, and so I hope you enjoy that one as well, and I really hope this video also helps. So fam, let's get into this video. So fam, in this video I'm going to be doing a green and a yellow look, and so the green is the secondary color and the yellow is the primary color, and so when you mix blue and yellow you are going to get a green, and so green is going to blend well with yellow and it's also going to blend well with blue. And so fam, the first color theory video I did a blue and a green on one eye, and so in this video I'm going to do a green and a yellow on both eyes, and this is to help us better understand the color theory fundamentals and how to use them in your eyeshadow application. Fam, I'm going to leave all the products and the tools I use in this video down in the description box below. And so I'm going in with a smoky green eyeshadow color for the outer V, and I'm also going for a yellow on the inner to the middle part of the eyelid. And so I'm using the green to smoke and then the yellow for the inner to the middle part of the eye. So fam, I'm using basic eyeshadow application technique to do this. I'm not cutting the crease, and so I'm just going in directly with the shadows, and this is because the eyeshadow palettes I'm using are very pigmented, and so I don't need to cut the crease, and I'm not going for any sharp cut crease look, and so I'm doing just the basic eyeshadow application technique. And so I stick with these two colors, the green and the yellow, and I use a neutral color from the Tammi palette to blend the edges of the eyeshadow I applied. And so I make sure that I blend in the colors I pack first before I blend. And fam, you need to make sure that you blend the edges after you apply your eyeshadow, just to give you that flawless look. And so I'm going in with a tapered brush from Sarat Cosmetics. This is their limited edition brush, to apply the yellow from the inner to the middle part of the eyelid to meet the smoky green color. And I make sure that I blend where the two colors meet, just to avoid any harsh lines or any line of demarcation. And so fam, that is what I'm doing on this eye. And after this, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, my mascara, and then my falsies. Also fam, before I applied the eyeshadow, I primed the eyelids with some eyeshadow primer. You can use any eyeshadow primer of your choice, or you can use your concealer as your eyeshadow base. And so that is what I did before I started applying the shadows. It was not recorded in this video, and so far make sure your eyeshadow has a base, and that is your eyeshadow primer or your concealer. And so fam, after applying everything, I make sure that I go in with the colors to intensify the look and also to make the shadows pop. So fam, I'm going to make sure that I recreate what I did on the upper lids or on the eyelids on the lower lids. And so I'm going to use the yellow for the inner part of the lower lid area and the green for the outer part of the lower lid area. So fam, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know how this video has helped you. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you are interested in more videos like this. I would love to know what you think. So fam, let's get interactive in the comment section below. So fam, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you love color but you don't know how to use colors to apply your eyeshadow, I'm here for you. I want to make videos like this, more videos like this, to explain to you how to use the color theory to apply your eyeshadows. And I really hope you enjoy this video. I love to explore and also to see how what everyone is saying and to test the color theory to actually see if it truly works. And so this video and videos like this that I am going to be doing is also going to help us have some fun experimenting these color theories and whether they really work and whether they really work with each other as the color theory says. And so fam, if you love color and you don't know how to use colors in applying your eyeshadows, this is for you. I really hope this video helps you to understand more of the color theory. And so fam, you can be adventurous with this, you can be playful with this, you can use the green for the inner part of the eye and then maybe a yellow for the outer part, or you can use lighter shades of colors. And we have different shades of greens and different shades of yellows. You can go ahead and test if all these shades are going to work together, and I'll also be testing these shades to see if a different shade of yellow is going to work with a different shade of green. And so fam, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye fam.